Umlisa-ke ukhuluma kule video uthi uzochoma ngokuthi akayisoli ukuthi wakhetha umkhonto wesizwe. Uthi uyakubonga futhi lokhu ukuthi kwafika umkhonto wesizwe ngoba uthi wakwagijima ne-IFP waze waba yilunga lakhona. Futhi uthi hhayi ngoba wayethanda ukuyijoyina i-IFP, uthi vele kudala imindeni yayiphoqa ukuthi ujoyine iqembu thizeni. Embeni kwesikhathi wagcina esebona ukuthi kahle kahle ayikho indaba ye-IFP, uthi waphuma ku-IFP wayojoyina i-ANC. Kodwa-ke naye i-ANC ayikaziyenza ngale ndlela le ayicabanga ukuthi uzoyenza ngayo, kwaze wasizwa ukuthi kufike umkhonto wesizwe.
Choma ukuthi ngakhetha kahle ngakhethi i-MK wengane zakwethu. Yazi kulezi inyanga ezidlule nje ezu-8 okanye ezu-9 ngaze ngahappy ngane zakwethu. Yazi siney'nkinga zethu ey'personal zasemakhaya, the challenges that we face on a daily basis. I put that aside. Kodwa uma ngiyibuka ngiyabona ukuthi ngaze ngikhuluphaliswa ukuthi nje ngajoyina i-MK. Yazi ngane zakwethu angidlali ngani. Yazi ukuthi sibuya kude nepolitiki. Mina ngisaka ngagijima ne-IFP. Ngagijima ne-IFP ngaze ngaba i-IFP. Ngoba thina nje sakhula ekudala, safunda iy'kolo late 80s, early 90s. Sasiphoqwa emakhaya ukuthi sibe i-IFP. Uze ugcine usuyithanda, abanye baseyiyo ngisho namhlanje. Yabo, so ngathi mase ngiyibonela izinto ngathi hayi i-IFP iyenza kancane ngase ngiza ngapha kwa-ANC. Nakhona makuhamba isikhathi ngabona ukuthi hayi la sishanga emfiphindiwe la. Ngase ngishiya ngihlala phansi kwaze kwafika i-MK. Ngizokutshela nje mina, yabo, wena njengoba ulandela i-ANC, awulandeli i-ANC ngoba kukhona into oyithembile ukuthi izokwenziwa i-ANC, ngoba kukhona into eyenziwa i-ANC njengamanje, but ulandela i-ANC ngoba uyayithanda kuphela. Ngiyayi-understanda le thing, yabona leya nto yokuthanda iyinkinga mfethu ukuthi leli qembu lami ngiyalithanda. Mina nje ngoba ngiku-MK akulona uthando le-MK nje kuphela ukuthi ngiyayithanda impela i-MK, futhi yazi ayikho into engiyithanda njenge-MK njengamanje. Ngiyayithanda i-MK kakhulu, kodwa into eyenza ngithanda i-MK ukuthi lezi zinto ey'thembisile uma engawina njengamanje izozenza. Unlike kwa-Grain bafethu into eyangiyekisa mina ukuthi I realized ukuthi la sidunguza olokhu oswini la, ngoba kwa-Grain they made agreements nabacindezeli. Build up to 1994, these people were busy discussing i-future yethu, but they discussed for ukubhenefitha kwabo, not thina. That's why njengamanje you will find ukuthi most of the people abanama-shares emakhampanini alabantu okuthiwa babebalwisa nge-apartheid, yibona who are saying, the ones that don't have shares, the ones that are saying we want our land, we want the economic power, we want the amendment of the Constitution of South Africa. Those are the people that they vilify. Ngisho abantu mina abanama-shares emakhampanini, abantu ababesicindezele, yibo abantu abathi laba abasesayidini labantu they are corrupt. Basho zonke izinto. Kuqeda ukuthi kungcwatshwe manje uJamlandas. uJamlandas has got shares in all the companies that are owned by the people who were oppressing abantu abamnyama. Kuthiwa uJamlandas wayeliswani i-apartheid. Leyo apartheid akayilwisa, unama-shares kiyo. So like you are saying, as an ANC supporter or ANC member, but you want to say people who does not have shares in those companies are the ones who are corrupt. But those who have shares in the companies that were oppressing you before 1994, uthi wena those people are the right ones that have shares in those companies. But laba okuyibona abangazange banikwa ama-shares kulawo makhampani, wena ubona ukuthi baba corrupt. Hayi bafethu, ngempela kushuthi kahle kahle kusekude la siyakhona. So mina ngihappy bafethu ukuthi ngibe i-MK, futhi ngiyi-MK in and out. This is the fastest growing party in South African politics, and I'm so hopeful, I'm so optimistic. I know ukuthi MK will take us where we want to be. So abanye masikhuluma ukuthi ANC of Ramaphosa is the worst, basiphikisa bathi MK yiyo. I-MK bafethu ibingekho 2021. Kungani ANC kuma local government yaluzo masipala abangaka ingazange ithole kwa 50%? Kungani? Ayingekho phela MK. ANC of Ramaphosa did not do well. That thing should have told you, but Sanchela, but you did not listen. It should have told you ukuthi ANC ka Ramaphosa is not about you. But even today, because you love ANC, because you are tribalistic, you will continue to support and be on the side of the ANC just because wena unenzondo. Hayi ukuthi ngoba uthembile ukuthi khona into positive ezokwenziwa ANC. Even this GNU is not about you. Uyakwazi lokho. The GNU is about DA. But wena, you will rather have that GNU, that DA, ibe i-dominion phezu kwakho. Because why you hating? Because there's this notion out there and this narrative ukuthi MK is for Zulus. So not just because you are not Zulu, you would rather have ODA. This fight, yes, I will make a video and clarify this thing because ngengakhuluma ngeShaka's Day, many people banale taste embi when you talk about those things, but iqiniso ngeke lishintshe. Ngizoke ngenza ivideo awuthi ke ngengilungise ngihambe ngizothola ishance emini ngizokwenza enye ivideo and clarify this thing. But into ebalekile bafethu ukuthi kwaGreni banama agreement abanawo, any president ozoya kwaGreni ozophuma kwaGreni azama ukuthi ufuna ukunakekela abantu abamnyama abahluphekile eSouth Africa bazothi corrupt, because bafuna ukuthi ungakwenzi lokhu okuthenjiswe abantu, wenze lokhu okuthenjiswe iminority that is not in the open. Le nto nina as abakwaGreen enayithembisa abantu is in the open, but you don't do it. Lokhu enakuthembisa iminority laba ababesicindezele is not in the open. People, they don't know about it, but people, they continue to support you because you are manipulative and people are easily manipulated. But ake ngishiye la, yazi bengithi ngifuna ukwenza i-short video nje ngibreak ngokuthi ngaze ngahappy ngokuba i-MK, but sengigcine ngikhuluma izinto ebengamele ngabe ngiyazikhuluma.